What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are here at Lamborghini Orlando. This is a benefit for dream cars for kids. And we are here seeing all these Lamborghinis, Porsches, every supercar you could probably think of. And we're going to see some cars ripping it down the road. Probably going more than 100 miles an hour. So I can't wait to show you all these cars and the details. But without further ado, I'll see you guys right now, I mean. Okay guys, so now we are here at the Lamborghini Gallardo. This car is one of the older cars, but it's still really fast. And the interior it's all leather. You got the paddle shifters, and this thing just looks amazing, especially with that carbon fiber wing. So this is another Lamborghini Gallardo that is the same as the other one, but just different color. So this car, instead of opening it like this door, where you push the button like that, it's just like you pull the button, you pull it like that. Simple. This is a Lamborghini Huracan, and I love the license plate with the Lamborghini logo. That's really cool. The exhaust pipes are sick. And the interior of the car, just like any other Lamborghini, a spaceship. I also like this front fender of the car. That's the Lamborghini Huracan Esto. Wow. Okay, we're bringing it. Now that is what I call lots of horsepower. So now we're going back to the car we were. I just had to go and show you that, guys, because that was just like the most epic car ever. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan once again. Oh no, I already talked about this car. Sorry. Now we're here with this Lamborghini Huracan, and it's got a different wing than the other car, but it's still the same car. Now this is my dream car, the Lamborghini Huracan Prefermente, guys. And just so you know that this is a Preferente, right there. I'm officially taller than a car. Woohoo! Yeah, this car is amazing. The aerodynamics are just incredible, and the color, I love it. Now we have, and the rims, forgot to talk about that. Those are some really cool rims, guys. Okay, so now we have this Lamborghini Huracan Evo with the orange interior. That orange interior looks amazing. And then here we have a V10, obviously, with the with the little tiny wing. This car is on Forza Horizon 5, if you know about that game. And here is another Lamborghini Huracan. This car looks amazing. And look, this is what I was talking about. When you push that button, the door opens. And then when you lock it, it closes back. Well, this car is amazing. I'm sorry I'm this car is Esto. Oh my god. Lamborghini Huracan Esto. You can see it right there with the Italian colors. Because this car, the Lamborghini is Italian. And then you can see inside of the car. It's got like a huge computer in there. It's got all the buttons and everything. It's got Strada Corsa. It's got yeah? Thanks. Oh, is it locked?
Just be careful. Get in there, don't worry about it.
Thank you.
Sit down, do the whole thing.
Oh god, we got a special offer. We got to get inside the Lamborghini Huracan Esto. Oh my god. This thing is a spaceship inside here. Wow. The leather and everything. The push and start button. Wow. This thing is just the coolest thing in the world. Oh, here another Lambo. But this thing looks like it's straight out of a rocket ship. Like you basically take a rocket ship engine, put it in here, rocket ship interior, and put it in here. And you got yourself a Lamborghini Huracan Esto. I'm in love with this car. This might be my all-time favorite car now, instead of the Huracan Performante. The rims on that car also are amazing. I love everything about it. Ooh, here's some Ferraris. Oh no, GTR. Right there. Here's the Porsche. I think this is a GT3 RS. But I think it's also twin turbo. I'm not sure. Maybe that's just because the owner decided to do that. But the wing is ridiculous. Like, look at that wing. It's wider than the entire car. That wing is amazing and ridiculous. I like this car a lot. And it's got not back seats, but just to put your stuff in there. And you got the Porsche interior. Here's his Instagram if you want to go check him out. His car is amazing. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video like these. But there's just Porsches on Porsches. This one has the hydraulic wing, and then this is, I don't know what to explain. I don't know how to explain this thing. It's got a Mercedes, butterfly doors, but then I got a McLaren. Like, what? I'm so confused. But I don't care if this thing just looks like it doesn't look like it's real. Like, it looks like something straight out of Ghostbusters or something. And here we have a Ford GT. One of the best cars, in my opinion. I really like this car a lot. It's got super tight windows. Okay guys, so this is the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. This is one of the most newest cars out right now from Lamborghini. And this is like the Huracan Performante, but with all the features of, it's a Huracan, but with all the features of the Performante basically. And it costs less than the actual Performante, which is over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. We'll get to that in just a sec. But this thing just looks like a spaceship. It's got Sport Corsa, it's got Strada, Sport, and Corsa like every other Lamborghini. And this thing is convertible, as you guys can see. And This thing just looks sick. The rims are so cool. I like these, but these black rims and the brakes match with the car. This is the Lamborghini Huracan, not an Evo. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Lamborghini Huracan LP 610. Wow. This thing is twin turbo. It's got a twin turbo. I think this is the car that we see a lot of the time. We see this car coming basically every time we come at this car show. We see this car and we are starting to think that it's a twin turbo because it's got that, you know, that little air sound. And it is convertible too, just like the Evo over there. And this is the Lamborghini Huracan once again. There's a lot of Huracans here. So Huracan, black, all blacked out, silver colored brakes, and the black rims just look amazing with this car. Ooh, Porsche 911 Turbo S. I think we've seen this in other car shows, and it's got tiny seats in the back. It's got seatbelts, but that's basically if you just want to put like a baby back there. That's all that fits. It's not more of back seats, but the color's amazing. And we got the Bentley. This car is very luxurious. Wow. Here we got the Bentley Charger, the hybrid. And then we got the R8 beside us. But the top speed of this car is 200 flipping miles an hour. That is amazing. This car, I don't know if you guys heard this car before, but this car sounds really good. This is a V10 Audi R8 or Audi R8 V10, and the rims are this looks so cool, like with the black and the silver. That's amazing. And here you can see inside of it. I don't know if you can see that much actually, but here we have a Porsche pulling out. There's a wrapped Porsche, but let's see this Porsche coming out. Let's come through here. I think we got two Porsches actually coming out. So let's see. You can hear the sound of this. It sounds unreal. But let's go check that yellow Porsche right over there. It's pulling out. Woo! Now that's what I call speed. You could hear that turbo. Woo! Not many cars are coming out, but the McLaren here is amazing with the exhaust pipes pulling up, and the interior is just a spaceship. This car has the butterfly doors and is convertible. Woohoo! Go, 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 go! Woohoo! Baby! Now that's a car and a half right there. Guys, so this owner of the car was so nice enough to let us get inside of his McLaren, and it's got the butterfly doors like all the McLarens.
There's a little button underneath there.
Yep, you can see it.
And you just jump on in there.
Oh wow, so low to the ground. Oh, look at the screen. It's so amazing. The paddle shifters, carbon fiber. It's
got
The
Alcantara
screen.
steering wheel, Alcantara ceiling,
Yes.
striped seats.
I know, I like the stitches on the
Got all the
seat.
carbon fiber interior, and it's got the Lux package, which comes with 9-speaker BMW speaker system in here. You see, it's got speakers everywhere.
Oh, wow.
You know that teardrop thing on the thing? That's a tweeter. That's a speaker also.
Oh.
It says 9 speakers. Pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah, 9 speakers. That's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Yeah. The car's getting black and red stripes on it this week too.
Oh.
So it's gonna kind of match the interior.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
So are you gonna, what's the fastest you got in this car?
Say what?
What's the fastest speed you got in this car?
This car goes 205 miles an hour.
Wow.
I have not gone that fast.
Yeah,
It's against the law.
I know. But what's the fastest you,
How fast have you gone? This car does 205, but I have not gone that fast. That's against the law.
what's the fastest you gone in it?
What's the fastest what?
What's the fastest you going in it?
It's gotten up to about 135.
135? Wow.
Yeah, and it does it about like that.
Yeah.
It goes 0 to 100 in about 6.2 seconds. So 0 to 60 is about 3.1 seconds. Although I have an exhaust on it. Did you see it?
Ooh, exhaust?
Yeah.
Go check that out. It's so hard to get out of this thing.
Yeah, my wife has the same problem.
Yeah, I don't want to hit the
It's
door.
like I feel like I'm gonna fall out.
Yeah.
You can barely see it down in there. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Got a titanium exhaust on it.
You can kind of see it in between a little.
Yep, it's kind of blue and silver. And
Yep.
then if you can look in there and then look under there, you can see it really good.
Look, through here you can see it kind of well. But here you can see it really good. Wow, yeah.
Awesome. Get some good videos?
Woo!
Awesome.
Yeah. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss another banger of a video. But see you guys in the next video. Peace.